Buenas noches, señoras y señores. Desde Miami y para toda la nación, a través de Univisión, damos comienzo a Carnaval Miami. Y en esta oportunidad, con su animador, Don Francisco.
Buenas noches a todo el público de Miami. Hoy día a través de Univisión presentamos el Carnaval de Miami, organizado por los Tijuanis de la pequeña Habana en su 10º año. Queremos que este primer aplauso vaya de costa a costa para todos los hispanos de los Estados Unidos y todos los hispanos que en Centro y Sudamérica están viendo hoy día desde Florida el Carnaval de Miami. El aplauso para ellos. Queremos, amigos presentes y amigos telespectadores, que esta sea una real fiesta de carnaval, una real fiesta de unión de todos nosotros, los que unidos a través del idioma y quizás separados por la distancia, hoy día recordemos nuestras canciones, nos unamos en la alegría y en el aplauso, sin olvidar jamás nuestro ancestro, recordando el lugar donde nuestros padres, donde nuestros abuelos nacieron, que nos dieron su cultura y su idioma. Recordemos la tierra de todos ellos. Y como está Miami, desde Miami, con el aplauso de todos ustedes, el Grupo Clouds.
Vamos a ver esa mano, todo el mundo.
Ole, ole, ole.
Un gran aplauso para el Grupo Clouds de Miami. Fuerte el aplauso para ellos, que también ha estado con nosotros en el Carnaval. Vamos a unos consejos. No se vayan, que seguimos en el Orange Bowl.
No hay nada como un trago de un rico Cuba Libre para refrescar. Y así con los amigos recordar el pasado, lo lindo del ayer. Cuba, Cuba Libre, dame un Cuba Libre. Hay cosas tan hermosas que vienen de mi tierra, la música, el sabor. Las palmas en los campos, el ritmo del Caribe y el fuego del amor. Ole, 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 ole,
Calle 8 Live, a sizzling celebration brought to you by Publix, and that homemakers prefer. Almacenes Gonzalez has the gift for that special someone, and Mistolin deodorizes, cleans, perfumes. Mistolin keeps all things happy and clean.
You know, it's hard to believe, but this time last week I was sitting in Texas looking out at an ice storm, and you know what? We were listening to salsa music.
No kidding. That should speak about the whole movement of salsa music in America now. Of course, in Miami, we're used to it. It's hot. It's happening. It's what
It's happening all over the country, no matter where you go.
And I think back when Miami Sound Machine first came on the scene, we thought it was new sound, and now they are all over the country. And Jose Diaz-Balart takes a look at how salsa has become the hottest thing in America.
The movie Salsa started a whole new dance craze in America last year. But salsa has been around for years. And you know, salsa has also had a very strong impact on other types of music as well. Ask the experts about the Miami Sound, made famous by groups like the Miami Sound Machine, Expose, and Clouds, and they'll tell you those groups borrow heavily from salsa.
There's no doubt. There's no doubt. I don't think you could even think the Miami Sound Machine started, you know, without salsa. I think that, you know, they really had to start there to get where they are now. And, you know, a lot definitely using in their records.
The group Clouds of Miami may sing in English, but salsa is the spice that makes their music cook.
Jazz and rumba together, that's what it sounds like.
That's what Miami Sound music is all about. And anything that comes out of here cooks because of salsa.
They say that salsa, or the real roots of salsa, is almost a beat, a rhythm, a feel. How would you describe that musically, you guys? Could you guys do it now?
Without instruments? You mean without instruments?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Venga para acá, venga para acá, mira. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la.
Oh, it's a tremendous day out here today. As a matter of fact, everybody had a great time. Everybody, there's like millions of people down here, you would think so. You're from Miramar. How'd you enjoy the day today?
Great day. It's a melting pot of America, and it's wonderful to see all these people here together, and we're going to make Americans out of all of them.
All right, and we are having...
Corporations are helping, and everyone's having a great time.
That's right, and we all have the same feeling. Do you have a good day today, huh? Everything good? I tell you what, more is going to come around here with Calle Ocho, and we have lots of stuff, lots of food, so come on down. We're on 4th Avenue and 8th Street, and as you can see, it's getting a little crazy. Celia Cruz is just around the corner on Calle Ocho.
The Queen of Salsa, Celia Cruz, takes the stage next as Calle 8 sizzles on.
It's a bird.
It's a plane.
Well, welcome back to Calle 8. We're about ready to get ready for the second song by that fabulous group, Clouds of Miami. You know, Anna, one of the big instruments salsa music needs is a maraca, and I happen to have one right here.
But I have mine, too.
Personally, I like yours better.
I have mine, too. You know what salsa does? The beat is so infectious that it makes people move. And all the way, as far as the eye can see, on Calle 8, 23 blocks, people are dancing. They're letting loose.
And they're dancing right here to Clouds of Miami.
Yeah.
Take it away, guys.
Tú sabes lo que yo quiero. 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 Yo lo que quiero es un poco de cariño. Si no hay cariño, déjame en paz. Te lo ruego, mi amor, déjame en paz. Tú sabes lo que yo quiero. 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 Yo lo que quiero es un poco de cariño. Si no hay cariño, déjame en paz. Te lo ruego, mi amor, déjame en paz. Lo que yo quiero es cariño, es un poco de cariño, es un poco nada más. Lo que yo quiero es cariño, es un poco de cariño, es un poco nada más. Lo que yo quiero es cariño, es un poco de cariño, es un poco nada más. Ay, cariño, mi amor. Ay, cariño, mi amor. Ay, cariño, ay, cariño, mi amor. Ay, cariño, mi amor. Lo que yo quiero es cariño, es un poco de cariño, es un poco nada más. Lo que yo quiero es cariño, es un poco de cariño, es un poco nada más. Everybody, ah, la la la, todo el mundo, ah, la la la, pero qué rico, ah, la la la, en la calle 8, ah, la la la, ah, la la la, la 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 la, escucharon boy, ah, la la la, ajá, la 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 la, que la aplauda, Frankie, oiga. ¿Quién tiene 5 pesos? Ahí dice par. Mira, ¿quién tiene 5 pesos que le preste a Frankie? ¡Hey! ¿Quién tiene 5 pesos que le preste a Frankie? 5 pesos. ¿Quién tiene 5 pesos que le preste a Frankie? ¿Quién tiene 5 pesos que le preste a Frankie? ¡Hey! ¿Quién tiene 5 pesos que le preste a Frankie? cariño, no hay cariño. Hay cariño, o no hay cariño, mi amor. 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 Let's put our hands up in the air, come on. Come on, people.
¿Cómo dice ese coro? ¿Quiere?
Lo que yo quiero es cariño, es un poco de cariño, es un poco nada más. Lo que